So if I change this width to 1 second, maybe, you know, that peak's a little narrower. Maybe change this slope from 1,000 to 500. And you'll notice now that second peak isn't showing up, right? So it's changed our ratio a little bit. And that's probably what I want. So I'm going to save the data file. And go to the top menu. And I can open up my report generator. And that format file I saved into the OChem folder under J. OChem GC, report forms, substitution reactions, and then going back to the data tab here, I can pull that data file in. Right, so there's the sample information, the chromatogram, and down here we have our percentages. I'm going to go ahead and print that. Pointing it at my own folder. Okay, data. 2020 fall lab, t-butyl halide short. Close that. And now the t-butyl halides long is actually done. GC's gone back to ready. So I can open up that t-butyl halides long. You'll see there's a little bit of chatter here, right? These early peaks. And we have our t-butyl chloride. And we have our t-butyl bromide, but our t-butyl bromide is not actually showing up this time. So we're going to have to mess around with the integration parameters until it does. So I'm going to edit for method. 0.65, that seems reasonable because it's coming off 0.693, but I probably have to change either the width or the minimum area or the slope. I'll try changing that slope to 500, see if that makes that peak show up, and it didn't. I'll try lowering this to 2,000 for the minimum area. And that did it. Now it's showing up. It looks like we got about 78 to 21 ratio of chloride to bromide. A little bit more chloride than there was in the short run. 21 bromide. So I can save the data file. And I can print this into my report form. Actually, I don't actually have to go there because the substitution reactions is there, since it was the last thing I used. Here's my t-butyl halides long, and print that guy. So I can point the folder back, so it's pointing at just JData GC. JData, I mean. Close the report format file, close the data file, and I can close that program. I don't need that anymore, and I don't actually need the real time, so I can close that. Now we'll do the same thing here. Detector 25. Injector 25, initial temperature 25, monitor to the column, or sorry, monitor to the detector, turn off the heater, turn off the CBM 102, and shut down the computer. And that's it for collecting data. We just need to dispose of our sample.